Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. If you love shipping container houses or you are planning on building one, today's episode brings to you a design video. We bring to you a shipping container house design with a courtyard and floor plans. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing all-ensuite 3-bedroom shipping container house with a courtyard. Welcome back. This modern shipping container courtyard house is designed using 3 40-foot shipping containers. 2 containers are placed parallel to each other, with a third container module placed in the middle and sheared horizontally to infuse some dynamism in the floor plan, creating a horseshoe floor plan layout with an intimate courtyard at the back of the house. The containers are placed with a 1-meter gap in between to create an amazing all-ensuite 3-bedroom house of more than 960 square feet of habitable space. This design also incorporates a BBQ Shack in a 20-foot container, which can be added at the rear of the building as a separate module. The containers sit on a concrete pier foundation to elevate the modules away from moisture. In addition, this elevated position creates an elevated courtyard deck at the rear of the building. The containers are covered with an additional corrugated steel roof to infuse some flair into the house design and to also provide a protective cover from harsh weather conditions. The orientation of this particular house will depend on your privacy levels. It will also depend on your access from the main road. This will only be determined by you on site. From the entrance porch, you get into an open plan living space comprising of a sitting area, a dining, and an open galley kitchen. The sitting area is a cozy space with a sofa seat and an entertainment unit. The floor is covered with a floor mat to help define the sitting area. Next to the sitting area is an intimate dining area, nicely furnished with a dining table that can sit up to 8 depending on need and configuration. Past the dining area is an open plan galley kitchen. The galley kitchen is designed to be fully furnished with adequate under-the-counter and overhead storage cabinets. We have enough counter space and allocated functions for each and every appliance required in the kitchen. The most notable feature of this amazing galley kitchen is the 2 slit windows on the opposite ends of the shipping container, which helps to fill the counter space and the sink space with adequate daylighting and to also provide cross ventilation. From the kitchen, a pocket sliding door leads you into the laundry space. The laundry space is fully equipped with a dryer and a washer, plus a washing sink and some under-the-counter storage space. Alternatively, you can use it as a mechanical room or a spare room for the house. The privacy gradient of the house increases as you move towards the bed spaces. This house has got 3 bedrooms and they're all ensuite. We have a guest bedroom just off the lounge area that has got a sizable bathroom with a shower cubicle, a wash hand basin, and a toilet. All bathrooms are fitted with sliding barn doors to save on space. In addition, we have the bedroom fitted with a full-height sliding glass door that opens onto the courtyard space. In addition, the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors fills the space awash with lighting, creating a feel of a large space. On the opposite wing, we have two other bedrooms. From that private lobby, you are able to access the master bedroom, which is facing the front of the house, and it is big enough to accommodate a king-size bed and a master bathroom. The master bedroom is also equipped with adequate wardrobe space. In addition, the master bedroom is fitted with a private Juliet balcony created using the original container cargo doors and is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors for adequate daylighting, close ventilation, and unfettered access to the private Juliet balcony. Just like the guest bedroom, the second bedroom is oriented towards the rear of the house. It is equally fitted with full-height sliding glass doors, which fills the bedroom space awash with light, creating a feel of a large space. The space is also ensuite with its own bathroom and adequate wardrobe storage. All the two bedrooms and the living room opens onto a private courtyard at the rear of the building. In this particular design, the courtyard spills into an outdoor barbecue area with a BBQ Shack designed from a 20-foot shipping container. The BBQ Shack is fitted with all functions that you would require for an ideal outdoor dining setup for a family barbecue or an intimate dinner party. The BBQ Shack is a separate design from the main house design. When it comes to the interior design, you are encouraged to observe minimalist interiors as much as possible to avoid cluttering your space with unnecessary furniture. In this particular design, we've also encouraged the use of light interior finishes to create that feel of openness, spaciousness, and airiness. Just like any other conventional building, you'll need to also do proper insulation, and this will be determined by the environment and the climate where you intend to build. If you are building in the temperate or the cold climate areas, you need to use an insulation material that has got good moisture barrier properties and good R values. If you live in the tropics, the biggest challenge is to keep heat away from your house as much as possible. We have a common family space in form of an outdoor courtyard space, which can be used for communal family activities such as family entertainment, outdoor dining, or space for outdoor lounging. What we love about this design is how efficient we've managed to use the shipping containers. If you observe clearly, you'll find that we've tried to maintain the integrity of each shipping container as much as possible. Save for the open plan living space and the master bedroom, all the other walls of the shipping containers are intact, and if you are to adopt this particular design, then it will help you to cut on the unnecessary costs of over-modification. When it comes to the exterior design, we prefer leaving our shipping container modules with the original colors and original markings and the corrugated walls exposed, especially if you are using a one-trip container. However, in this design, the middle container, we found it appropriate to just introduce a bit of contrast by covering it with some timber siding, which introduces a bit of design flair and makes the house look a bit interesting. However, feel free to try out different exterior finishes depending on your personal preference, cost, and the environmental dictates of where you intend to build. So which part of this amazing container house design do you like the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you love this design, you can purchase blueprints from our website, sheltermode.com. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email through info@sheltermode.com. Alternatively, contact us through our social media pages. Just search for the word Shelter Mode on Facebook, on Instagram, and even on Twitter and Pinterest, and we will respond appropriately. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.